My Canadian experience is incomplete without shopping at Lululemon. This is my very first Lululemon shopping. Of course, I got myself a pair of leggings. But what else could be in this big box right here? Don't go anywhere and let's find out together. Welcome back to my 12,000 subscribers. Just kidding. You guys, I appreciate you. Maybe one day it'll be 12,000 or hopefully more. But if you're new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy. And in this channel, I typically share with you some your beauty deals and promo codes. But when I'm not sharing that, I love to share with you some fashion finds. Like today, some Lululemon finds and some great deals. And if you like those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here and share wonderful 2025 with all of you. And with that, let's get started and unbox my very first Lululemon purchase. Alright, I was so surprised when this arrived. I did not expect a very big box. So let's see what I got in here. Okay, first item, like I've said, of course, I have to get myself a pair of Lululemon leggings. First impression, definitely soft, and I do not have any burgundy leggings, so I pick this one. By looking at it, it looks kind of tight. It looks small, but this is size small, I think. Yep, size 4. So it's very stretchy though, so let's give it a chance. This is my first time. I don't know anything about their sizing. I got the Lululemon Align, and this is 28 inches length. So this is supposed to be butter soft. So far it's really soft, but we will see. I don't like it when my leggings cause friction on my skin, and it makes me itchy, especially on winter when your skin tends to get super dry. So let me try it. Alright, so far so good. I'm actually surprised that it fits really nicely because it looked really small earlier, but the fit is nice. And first impression, it seems like it's true to its promise that it's butter soft, and you could see here, no camel toe. Nice fit. So far I love it. So this is 28 inches, but it still seems very long for me. You'll see there's a lot of still wrinkling down here. So, but I think I'll stick with 28 because I'd rather have my ankle covered than exposed. The 24 might be a little too short for me, but if there's 26, maybe that would be the perfect length for me. But yeah, so far so good. I love it. I can probably remove the tag now. I was worried earlier that it might be too small, but yep. So this is high waist. You can see it cover my belly button here and looks very flattering. I also noticed this seams right here, and I don't know if you could see properly, and I think it actually adds to the comfort with the movement and everything. So there you have it, my very first Lululemon leggings. Alright, next item. I've been eyeing on this one because when I first saw it, I thought it would be the best Canadian souvenir. You know, typical souvenir when you go to places are like mugs, sweaters, or hat. But this one, it's a whole gift set right here. And this was actually created for the Olympics. So this is like the Team Spirit collection. And I thought if I'm gonna have Canadian souvenir, it would be this. And I think I got the very best deal for this one. It was retail for $169, I believe, and I only got it for $29 Canadian. That's like $21 US. So I think this is such a very great deal, and it comes with this a box. And let's see what's inside. Oops. If I know how to open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, nothing. All right. Oh, wow. Here it is. So this is keychain for kids. It's actually so much bigger than I thought. I will use it when I move back to the US. I think souvenirs are perfect when you're no longer in the place where you got them from. So in my case, eventually we will be back to the US. I think it will be a great conversation piece, like when people say it like, oh, you've been to Canada? Yeah, we lived there for a little while, so there you have it. So I think that's a very beautiful souvenir. And if these are still available at the store, because I know they're sold out online, you probably should get it, especially if you want to give your family, visiting family, souvenirs. You know, I think it's better than Starbucks mug, but of course if they're collecting, then that's a good gift. But if they're not and you just want to give them something that's from Canada, I think you have a lot here that you could give them. So one for each family member. And then we have here some pins. Let me see if I could take them out. Okay, so let's look at it closely. Again, this is designed for the Olympics 2024. And what we have here are 3 bandanas. This is the opening motif, closing ceremony, and this is Paris exclusive. Then we have a keychain here, which is very substantial. I have to say, it's really big. I think this keychain alone could be the price of this whole box. And the pins. So it says here left to right, we have the maple leaf, fire, and the exclusive hummingbird. So it has the Canadian Olympic logo there and the Lululemon logo here. And there, I think it has a super nice graphics. And this is the bandana ring. Okay, again, I paid $29 for this whole set. I think it's such an awesome deal, and it comes with this beautiful box with very nice graphics. This go. When I saw them online, I thought they look amazing. So here, what I'm planning to do with this is actually frame it. So when we move back to the US, I could display it in our house. So this one I will frame. Maybe I'll put it in my office or maybe somewhere in the family room. Again, I think this would make a great conversation piece because, you know, like if I start meeting new people, they were like, oh, you have a Canada frame right there. Have you been there? And I could say, yeah, we lived there for a couple of years. I could also put one in my office, but I think there's one here that's specifically with Paris architecture. I think it might be this one, and this probably might be the best one in my office. Right here. Love it. And this comes with this bandana ring. So you could actually wear this too. Let's try. Got it right there. Love the maroon color. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, for $29 Canadian, I think it is worth it. I'll definitely wouldn't buy it for $169, but for $29, it's such a nice souvenir for our stay here in Canada. And I could probably give away one of the bandanas or handkerchief, but I kind of want to keep them all. I think it's great to keep the whole set. I wish I bought two actually, so I could, you know, give away other ones to my family member. But speaking of giveaway, you know, for family members that are visiting here or friends that are visiting, I actually got something for them. So first, and I see that these belt bags, bum bags are very popular here in Canada, especially the Lululemon ones. And not only here in Canada, I see it a lot in the US as well. But I found this. I thought these is such a cute souvenir for any family member or friends visiting us here in Canada, because it's such a nice size fanny pack, and you could actually fit a lot here. You could fit your phone here, I believe. And it has a mesh pocket right here for a little bit of organizing, but it also has a pocket, slip pocket on the back, and it does have the Olympic logo with the Canadian maple leaf, and also here. So I chose colors that I think are neutral enough so it's not very cheesy. I know not everyone might be liking that can or the maple leaf there, but I actually think it looks very cool. So there, I picked two of this specific design. Next one is this very neutral, and the colors I think are really great. So this came with 3 colors. The only color I didn't take is the red because I think the red might be too cheesy. But this one, super neutral. I love it. I think this is ecru. Alright. The Olympic logo here is red. I think it's just very tastefully placed in there. It actually has a, I didn't notice it in the first one, it has this quote here, inspired by example. Devenir un modèle d'inspiration. I don't know if I pronounced that right in French, but that's what it says here. So, you get your family or friend a great souvenir and they will learn a little bit of French. So, that's super great. And last but not the least, like I've said, I didn't pick the red one, but I got a slightly different style in black. I think this one is just a little bit bigger, but almost the same thing. Same. Oh, you know what? It's actually exactly the same. Or not. Oh yeah. So here it goes. So the size is pretty much the same. I think the only difference is that instead of a slip pocket, this one actually has zipper pocket on the back. And the zipper pull is also different. So this is like a little upgrade. It has a Lululemon zipper pull, silver hardware, same mesh pocket, but no, I'm sad, it doesn't have the coat inside. I think that one is such a special touch. I wish they put it on this one as well. So yeah. So I have this color and this beautiful violet color. Look at that. That's so beautiful. And this one. So there you have it. I thought they're super cute. I hope I don't end up keeping everything. But yeah, I think these are such a great souvenir. The buckle here is plastic, by the way. It has the Lululemon logo. And for the black one, it's a little different. So the black one didn't have the Lululemon logo on the buckle. It's also plastic and doesn't have the Olympic logo on the side. So, but the size, pretty much the same. There you have it. That's my very first Lululemon shopping unboxing. And let me know in the comments what you love about Lululemon. Maybe I could check them out. So far the leggings feels good. I'm not a very big legging person, but I wear them a lot whenever we go hiking. So I do not have much need for leggings, but let me know about their other clothing, or I see that they have a lot of bags as well. If you have very good experience with their products, please comment below and let me know what you recommend me try next. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like it so many more of the Lululemon lovers right there could see it, or anyone who's considering buying any Lululemon products. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.